Hey everyone, it's Katie and Trevor Bird here at Durango Harley-Davidson. We are excited to visit with you about all of the exciting things we have going on for the month of December. It's hard to believe it's already here, the end of the year, and getting ready for 2023. We'll kick it off by starting with some of our specials for December. We still have our gift with purchase promotion going on, which is this awesome wooden box that comes with these cool whiskey glasses. So if you come into the store and you spend $300 worth of Harley-Davidson merchandise, whether it be apparel or parts and accessories, you get this awesome free gift. So keep that in mind throughout the month of December. MotorClothes is also doing 15% off all of their denim for the entire month of December. So if you've got some people you need to cross off your list for Christmas, it's a great time to come in and shop. We will also be launching a 12 Days of Christmas promotion with a different special for every day for the 12 days of Christmas. So be looking for that online, which will be announced soon. We also have some great events coming on. Next Saturday, December 10th, at 11 o'clock, we're going to kick off our first workshop of the winter season. It's going to be what's to expect in a case service. So it's going to be a really great informational workshop. We really encourage you to come, and everyone that attends will be entered to win a free case service. So that's an awesome gift. So I hope that you guys will come and be a part of that, and we'll also have some refreshments for you as well. So 11 o'clock, December 10th, here at Durango Harley-Davidson. Then we also have our Photos with Santa event on December 17th. Which is a Saturday, and that is from 10 to 1 here at the dealership. Bring the family down, come and meet Santa and Mrs. Claus and sit on Santa's Harley and get your picture taken. We'll also have some activities for the kids while they're waiting in line to see Santa. So it's always a fun event that we have here at Durango Harley-Davidson. So we hope that you guys will join us for that as well. If you'd like more information, we have these events posted on our website and on our Facebook page. So please feel free to visit or give us a call anytime for more information.
Right on. You know, at Durango Harley-Davidson, we really strive to inspire personal freedom through the adventure and independence that can really only be found on the seat of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And we want to be your trusted partner in that journey. We've got some exciting specials going on in our motorcycle sales department for the month of December. If you buy any Big Twin pre-owned Harley-Davidson motorcycle, we're going to add a 2-year Harley-Davidson extended service plan complimentary, or a $1,200 credit towards parts and accessories to customize your bike, or a Harley-Davidson planned maintenance program that will cover your next 3 services. So again, with the purchase of any Big Twin Harley-Davidson motorcycle, pre-owned motorcycle, you get to pick one of those 3 amazing specials to add on to protect your bike, protect your investment, and to protect you. Also in our parts department, we've got some pretty big specials in the month of December, including 15% off all bike covers. We've got 20% off any performance kits, and we're also doing 20% off any seats or backrests for your motorcycles. So it's a great time if you're looking for a used bike. Definitely take advantage of some of these specials in December. If you're looking to do some upgrades or get your bike covered up for winter, make sure you take advantage of some of our parts specials. We want to thank everybody for a great year in 2022. We're here because of you guys, because of our customers, and we're so grateful for each and every one of y'all that have supported us along the way. From Katie, myself, our family, and the entire Durango Harley-Davidson family, we want to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And one final note, we will be closing a little bit early on Saturday, December 24th, which is Christmas Eve. And we're going to give the team a much needed break. We will be reopening on Tuesday, January 3rd. And we'll continue our normal winter hours of Tuesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Through the rest of the winter. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys soon.